Hey guys, I'm back with another video today, and this video is going to be a longer one because I by far am at one of the best finds I've ever made. So I am at an abandoned house, and there is vehicles and car parts and lawnmowers and farm equipment and stuff everywhere back here. It's mind-blowing. So without any waiting, let's get on with it. So, right here there's this that looks like some sort of, like maybe a saw or something, I don't know. But there's stuff all over. So here's a piece of farm equipment that looks pretty old. Looks like it's probably, yeah, it's a John Deere. It says John Deere on it. It looks really old. Not sure exactly what this is. Anybody who knows about farm equipment will have to let me know. Here's another piece of some kind of farm equipment, it looks like. Let's go over this way. It's like a junkyard back here. There's tons of stuff. Here's some junk. It's an old, like, jungle gym thing. There's a tire, and looks like a snowblower attachment for a lawnmower. Looks John Deere as well. Here's some stuff. Some of this equipment, I'm not sure what it is, so if you know, you'll have to tell me. I'm not good with a lot of this stuff. There's some stuff. Here's some trailers. It's like an old car tire. But yeah, here's some trailers. And more stuff over there. There's the house. Looks like a shed over there. I don't believe anything's in it. Or behind it, for that matter. And it's overgrown, and the house is sketchy, so I'm not going to go over there. But there's a ton of chairs and stuff. Here's some tires. This is a truck cap that looks like the tree fell on it and it squashed it. But it's on top of a homemade trailer with a New York license plate that says 1987. And I didn't notice this initially, but the wheel in there has a Pontiac hubcap that looks like it's from the 60s or early 70s. I don't know about the other side, if it does too. That's pretty neat. Looks like there's some old tractor wheels over here. Or lawnmower wheels. More small engines. A lawnmower deck. It's like a sink or something. Here's a shed. More equipment. And then here's the other side of that truck cap in the trailer. I'm not sure what the truck cap is off of, but it looks like it got squashed by a tree. And then there's a ton of stuff. There's some really nasty things in certain spots, like there's just bags of trash. But here's an old vintage John Deere garden tractor. And so it looks like nobody's been here in a long time. An old snowblower. Looks like some old cans. Yeah, here's that John Deere. Looks like another snowblower. Some tires and some more snowblowers. There's another lawnmower in this shed. Here's some kind of equipment, I don't know what it is. Some old gas cans. Here's an old Sears. And this shed is packed with stuff. But yeah, this looks like an old Sears. We're not even to the cars yet. Here's a wheelbarrow. Here's some more lawnmowers. There's a lot of lawnmowers. Here's the house. I'm not going in the house because it's super sketchy and probably could collapse at any moment. Yeah, I don't see much back here, just barrels. You can see inside the garage there. I don't think there's any vehicles in there. There are some vehicles around the front here that I'll take you to. Probably a late 90s, early 2000s Chevy S10 and a Dodge Caravan or Plymouth Voyager. I'm not sure which. The badges are missing, so I can't really tell, but all of this is back here. And then here's some vehicles. I can't get around the front there, but you can see it looks like it's been there a while. Neither of them have license plates. The Chevy here does have an inspection sticker dated 2010. Some of this stuff looks like it's been sitting much longer than 2010, but it looks like it might have been a hoarder's house. You can't even see inside the windows. There's a door leaning against this truck randomly. The bed is filled with junk and garbage. You can see the house again. Lots of thorn bushes here. And then here's a van. Definitely an S10. You can see the wheel there. There's a lot of trash here. The windshield on this is broken, it's smashed, and the van is filled with garbage. Definitely looks like it was a hoarder's house. There's an Uncle Sam sticker in the back of this truck. Hold on, let me try to get through. I was just back over this way earlier. There's some seriously nasty stuff back here. No bodies, luckily. But there's like bags of trash and stuff. I'm trying to get through and these plants aren't liking it. I don't know how well you can see around the back there. And then here's this truck. You can see the front there. I don't think there's any vehicles in there. Let me get back out. It's not posted. There's no fence anywhere. I mean, it's not like I'm trying to break in and steal things or vandalize things. I'm just filming and photographing. But I guess I could get in trouble for being here. I've never seen anyone here, though, in my whole life. Here, let me back up. There's like a shed or something in there. Just get the full view. It has been vacant a very long time, you can tell. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. There'll be more videos of abandoned places and things like this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.